Yeah, hi, in today's video, we're going to be showing you a website claims you can actually earn $110 per offer, okay? And that website is called TimeSocial, and we're going to actually go and do a full TimeSocial review for you, and we're going to show you exactly whether you are going to be able to get paid by doing these surveys and getting paid up to $110. So without further ado, let's jump across and we'll show you exactly how you can sign up and whether it is legit or not. Okay, so here we are on the TimeSocial website. Okay, and as it says here, get paid to taking surveys, for playing games, for using social media. We've got at the top here, it says how TimeSocial works. So let's go and check out that now. So it says when you sign up for TimeSocial, become part of a community of millions of individuals who choose to maximize their time and complete the offers in return for cash, referring friends and followers in return for cash, are earning money through social media. So you're going to actually refer others, you're going to be able to test apps and play games, take surveys, and be social and get paid. And it says here that you can redeem your earnings, and it says through PayPal, Vimeo, Cash App, various different ways here. And it says turn your time into money. Okay. Now there's a few bits here about us, so let's just click on the about us place, and all it says here is the company that turns your time into money. So it says who are we, and it says we are a Netherlands-based earning network. We generally collaborate with influencers on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and others. Those influencers, including local individuals like you, in the top 10% of verified accounts. So this doesn't actually tell you an awful lot. It tells you obviously members can, just telling you, repeating basically the same things of what they've said before. So it doesn't actually tell you much about the actual company apart from they're in Holland. And it says to get started, you will need a free account. You can earn by referring people and completing short opinion surveys or easy offers. And so let's go and show you how you can actually go and sign up for this. So just click on the sign up button here. Enter full name, username, email, password, repeat password, agree to the terms and conditions, and then register. And that's all you have to do. Now, I went and done this, so let's go and have another look inside of TimeSocial and find out exactly what it's all about. Okay, so this is where you get when you get in. They do offer a $45 bonus when you actually sign up. As you can see, I've received that here. Now, all it's got here, it says here, I can invite friends and earn $20 for every person that signs up using my referral link. Now, straight away, guys, don't copy this link at the moment, because I've got some interesting things that you're going to need to know before you actually even think about signing up. So it says why refer friends, and it says here you can earn $2 for every every person who clicks on your referral link. $2 for every person who clicks, not even joins. And it says here by referring other people, you can make it easier to earn. You will earn an extra 25% on your referral earnings. So it sounds as if that's what they're mainly looking for you to do, because they're not looking for you to obviously do anything else apart from share. Now, just a quick insight, I actually signed up for this account with an actual fake email. Didn't even have to verify my email, which certainly is a red flag. Definitely. So if we go here, it says refer people, earn $20. Test apps, earn $55 for testing apps. So let's just click on that. And it says we've got to go to the offer center. It says there are currently no apps available to you. Okay, so you can't do any apps. Let's try surveys. So here, so you see you've got a Primark survey here, £250 a gift card here. So let's just take a quick short survey. Here, complete the steps to earn your Primark £250 start offer. So do you like to shop online? I say yes. How do you plan on using your $250 card? I'm going to give it to a friend. How many times a day do you shop per week? So we said 3 to 7. And I've got to confirm my email. Well, I'm going to put in my fake email here again. Continue. As you can see, guys, I was literally doing anything at all. Okay, so I've done all of that. So completed level 1, so we've now got to level 2, so we've now got to actually go and join this and click on CoinMaster, which is another kind. And what they're doing, guys, is they're getting you to obviously go onto different sites, of which they're actually going to get paid for these surveys, but they're not going to get paid $110 or anything like that. They're only going to get a few dollars, but you're taking the surveys for them. You're not actually going to get paid for these surveys, I don't think. So if we go through, and we can obviously refresh here. It still says I haven't earned any money at all. And let's face it, Primark are not going to pay you 120 pounds or 250. Give away a £250 voucher for just a few questions that I didn't really even answer about Primark. So it's a total rip-off, guys. I don't think you're going to get paid, and the reason why I know that is let's go and just prove this to you with a few other bits and pieces. Let's go back to their homepage, go to payment proofs. Now I actually want to go to another site called who.is, and this actually tells me when the TimeSocial website was actually registered, and as you can see here, was registered at the end of September 2022, so that was literally 2 months ago, but it was updated at the end of October. So my mind betting that this possibly wasn't, it's only been live about a month. September 22 is the earliest it was actually registered. If we scroll down on some of these payment proofs, if we go to this one here, this one says September the 12th. So that was actually done before the actual site was live, guys. So again, I don't think these are going to be obviously true payment receipts. This one again is the 13th of September, so again before it's actually gone live. You've got to take this with a pinch of salt, and I don't think you're going to get paid out. I've done a lot of reviews on these sort of survey sites, and you do not get $110 per offer. Let's just go and check out the actual offer center again. And like I say, there are no apps to actually do here. And like I said, we took this other survey just a minute ago, and it literally was just literally a few seconds. And then they just put you onto the normal survey sites, of which you obviously then they are going to get paid a small amount, and you're not going to actually get paid out. It's as simple as that. It's just not going to happen. You're not going to get paid this sort of money for taking simple offers. It's as simple as that. But of course, there are ways that you can actually go and get paid to take offers, and I'll put a link to a video right at the end of this video which you can go and watch, which will mean that you can actually go and get paid, but you won't get paid $110. You'll get a few dollars here and a few dollars there for taking surveys, because that is all the survey companies pay out. They don't pay out big money. It's as simple as that. And I think all the TimeSocial are looking for you to do is refer other people who are going to come in, take a few surveys, and then obviously say that you can't obviously withdraw. So it says here it can cash out. So it says here, obviously it's looking at clicks at 0%, referrals 0%, offers 0%, referral offer bonuses 0%, total 0%. So it says that I'm obviously you need a minimum balance of $150, but you also need to have done a certain amount of clicks, referrals, offers, referral offer bonuses, etc. This is all they want you to do is literally go and get more people in here. So one, they get their details, and two, you obviously will have to take other surveys, which they will probably get paid a few cents for. And if you've got thousands of people doing that, then obviously this is how they make their money, guys. So I would avoid TimeSocial.co and check out some of the legit sites that I know actually pay out that are on our channel. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.